And welcome to my channel. So guys, I'm now ready to my live streaming. I already have here my phone and this tablet to use my live streaming. So I'm gonna unbox this phone first. So I have here A20 Samsung Galaxy that I really wanted to have a long time ago. So I just now have this one, and this is from my husband in Saudi Arabia. He sent this to me. I just received this one yesterday together with this one tablet. So I'm gonna unbox this one, guys, and I will show you, and I will also see what is inside, you know.
Voice assistant on. Samsung setup wizard. Volume controls hidden.
Oh my god, it's talking.
Navigation bar. Samsung setup wizard.
See?
Navigation bar. Screen turned off. Ringer
Oh my god,
vibrate.
it's cool. It's talking. It's talking. I love you, Samsung. I only trust Samsung. I don't trust any brand, only Samsung. Wait guys, I cannot open it. I don't know why. Maybe I'm just too excited that I can't open it. Oh my god, where to open this one? I don't know how to.
Screen turned on.
Oh my god, it's talking. I'm so excited. Oh, there is a Lord, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Lord, that you grant my prayer about this phone. See, guys, it's a Samsung Galaxy A20. Thank you so much, Lord. Oh my God, it's where's the? I will see first the instruction and the features of this phone. What is it inside? Wait. What? Device layout. And the feature of this camera, this phone, I mean, is, you know.
Screen turned on. Samsung setup with.
Wait first. I'm reading. Rear camera, triple rear camera. Wait, where is it? Don't talk first, okay? I will do the talking. So this is the 333 3 rear camera there, and a fingerprint recognition sensor. So where is it? This one. OMG, I'm so happy. And this is the charger and the pin. There's a pin for.
Screen turned off. Ringer vibrate.
Wait first. And this one, the small pin, like for poking something, I think. Where can I poke this one? I don't know where to poke. How to open it? Oh my god. I think here. I will try this later, but I will show you first my new phone. I am so happy for my new phone. And that's it for now, and I will show you the other one. So I love this phone. I love this phone. My phone, I love it. I really love it. And this one is a Lenovo. This is it. The Lenovo tablet. So this is my Lenovo. See, and I am so excited to go live streaming, and I'm gonna use this too, and that